For our design project, our group decided to tackle the problem of storage in local households. By the year 2030, Singapore's population is expected to reach 6.9 million. With an increasing population and shrinking households, storage seems to be a potential problem faced by the locals. After interviewing our friends and families, two major problems were identified. The first problem is the lack of time and energy to properly organize their items, hence they often misplace them. The second problem is the lack of storage space in their homes. Analyzing existing households, 30% of floor space is used for storage, whereas dead space below the ceiling and under furniture are commonly unused. We would like to look into dead space for storage, so as to create more functional space. Without having enough time and space, 90% of our interviewees complain that they can never properly organize their items. We also observed that within the family unit, different members were the ones organizing and keeping items. As a result, the individual has to go through the process of contacting multiple family members just to locate the item. To solve this problem, we need a system that will help us monitor the information and location of every item, whereby the data can be accessed by everyone in the household. It could also be coupled with a search function to retrieve the item's information instantly. Using a two-pronged approach, our design combines both the hardware and software to improve the storage experience at home. After exploring various prototyping concepts, our final design consists of an integrated ceiling storage which uses motors and an interactive mobile app to monitor the inventory in the ceiling storage. Inspired by the skin, the ceiling stores away long-term items like how a skin stores fat. One feature of the ceiling storage is that it is highly customizable because of its parametric design. The user has to communicate with his interior designer on deciding which room he wants it to be in, the shape of the ceiling, the dimensions, the material, and the color used. The mechanism behind the motor-controlled boxes is similar to that of a clutch and gearbox system inside a car. By employing a gearbox, the number of motors used can be reduced. The mobile app behind this system is very easy to use. When the user wants to add a new item to a specific box, she can click the box she wants and add the new item. The box she selects will automatically be lowered, during which she can choose to add tags for the new item. She could even take a picture of it before storing it. After she has finished, she will place the new item in the box. Once done, she can press the Add button and the box will automatically be raised to its original position. When the user wants to retrieve an item, she can simply enter keywords in the search box to find her item. The boxes containing the relevant items will be highlighted. Once she found the box storing her item, she can lower the box and retrieve the item. The app will also prompt the user to update the new inventory of the box before raising the box up. We also implemented the augmented reality view, which works the same way, but in a more user-friendly and intuitive manner. In this mode, the smartphone's camera is activated, and the user can pan above on the storage boxes. Description of the boxes will be overlaid onto the boxes reflected on the screen. Even though the ceiling storage design is different in every household, the mobile app can also integrate seamlessly with any design just by customizing the layout of the room from the phone. A ceiling storage idea coupled with an interactive mobile app is a novel idea, but users need to change their mindset towards overhanging storage solutions. Our group believes that by challenging traditional boundaries, we can revolutionize storage in the future.